Trying out polygel nails for the very first time was both exciting and nerve-wracking. As someone who values frugal living and being on a budget, I saw this as an opportunity to indulge a little bit in self-care without breaking the bank. Little did I know this experiment would not only add a touch of glam to my nails, but would also teach me some valuable lessons about the art of home manicures. Now, I'm no stranger to doing my nails at home, but this was a little bit of a learning curve. So to give you a little bit of background, before I've done gel nails on my natural nails, I've never done any kinds of acrylic or any other additional things before. So this was my very first time. So number one thing that I learned is that you need to have a primer. Polygel nails are a hybrid between acrylic and gel nails, offering durability of acrylics without the harsh chemicals. The key here is the polygel formula. It's a combination of acrylic powder and gel nail polish. This unique composition makes it easier to handle and shape, making it perfect for beginners like me. I didn't have a primer, but I want to invest in one in the future to help me because I do enjoy doing nails at home. So that would have helped me a lot if I had a primer. I did prep the nails before starting, but I didn't use a primer. So number one pro tip, which I didn't actually do, is before starting, ensure to add a primer, but also ensure to make sure that the nails are cleaned, trimmed and shaped to your liking, and make sure there's no existing gel or anything on your nails. Remove anything from your file your nail gently to remove any existing polish, and you'll be able to have a clean base to work from. So you can see that the nail just pops off. It sets it when you cure it under the lights, and that's how you get the shape. So it's very simple, very easy. The second thing is invest in a comprehensive polygel kit. Investing in a quality polygel kit was my first step. While it might seem like a splurge initially, this kit contains the essentials from polygel tubes to dual forms to the slip solution, the curing lamp as well. It's a one-time investment that pays off in the long run, saving you trips to the salon and all the associated costs like getting on the train. The kit I'm using is the Modelones polygel kit. I'll link it in the description. It costs only £25. The key takeaway is that a good polygel kit is a frugal choice in the grand scheme of at-home manicures, providing everything you need in one package. I used to spend £25 on each salon visit, so this is helping me to save so much money. The next thing is the application process. Patience is key. Applying polygel nails requires patience and precision. I found taking my time to ensure each layer was applied evenly and cured properly was crucial. Rushing through this process led to a mess around the cuticle. Now, this is my first time doing these nails, so I would expect a little bit of a learning curve. They've come out a lot better than when I did my gel nails for the first time, but there are a little few things that I'd like to fix about them. So one of the things that I learned is that definitely making sure that you're curing each layer under the lamp before moving on to the next step, and make sure you cure the top and the bottom of it as well, because I forgot that on some fingers and then I had to do them again. Another thing that you've probably seen me doing throughout this video is sculpting the nails, and this is one of the most fun part of it, is that polygel gives you the flexibility in shaping your nails, because you can use any kind of nail file and you can sculpt and buff your nails. So once you take the form off, you actually need to buff off the shiny layer. You can't just stop here and then you add on the top coat afterwards. So I do like polygel allows you to have easy shaping, giving you freedom to experiment with various nail shapes without the commitment. Curing time is often underestimated. To avoid disappointment, I've learned that each layer of polygel needs adequate time under the curing lamp. Rushing this step can result in nails that don't fully set, leading to chips and cracks. Another thing that I learned is maintaining your polygel nails goes a long way. Polygel nails, once applied correctly, are surprisingly durable. However, maintenance is key to their longevity. I discovered that using cuticle oil daily helped to keep my nails moisturized and prevented any signs of lifting or chipping. Removing polygel nails at home can be tricky, but instead of using harsh methods that can damage your nails, opt for a gentle approach. You can soak your nails in acetone using a wooden cuticle stick and gently lift off the softened polygel. But I actually bought a machine that helps to steam the nails off. So for my previous manicures that I did with gel nails, this works wonders. You just sit down and the machine steams it off, and you just file off each layer until it finally just melts off. And I find this extremely easy to use. Now, one common budget-friendly alternative hack is creating your own DIY slip solution. This hack is really easy. Instead of purchasing the pre-made variety, you can use a mixture of alcohol and water in a spray bottle. And this can be really effective and cost-efficient alternative. However, fortunately for me, this kit comes with its own slip, so you don't really need to worry about that. But if your kit doesn't, you can use the mixture of alcohol and water to create a slip. Another thing that I really loved about the polygel nails is that they are a blank canvas waiting to be adorned with colors and designs. Since I'm a beginner, I didn't experiment with different color combinations and glitters and nail stickers, but I will do next time. I just wanted to see what it was like for the very first time applying them. But I really love the potential for this. Not only can I add a personal touch, but it will also save me so much money and the extra expense of visiting a nail salon for nail art. But overall, I've really just loved this kit, and I think choosing the right kit is the most important part of doing your own nails at home. And this Modelones Polygel nail kit has everything that I needed in the set. This set includes 6 15-gram polygels. It also has a 12-watt LED lamp. It also has 10 milliliters base and a top coat. It also has 48 pieces of jewel nail forms in 12 different sizes, a nail file, and a nail dust brush pen. It's everything I needed as an absolute beginner. I'll leave the link in the description for this nail set. I love that it's vegan and it has toxin-free ingredients, and it's just a really easy way for you to use it as an absolute beginner. So trying polygel nails for the first time was a really fun experience. From the initial excitement to overcoming the challenges, this journey really taught me how to achieve fabulous nails at home. So I hope you've really enjoyed this video and that you've learned some tips along my journey. I hope this elevates your self-care at home, and if you enjoyed, leave a comment below.